Bally, MataHari. Alright. I officially have every single thing disconnected from the playfield except for now where the wiring harness is soldered down to everything. So now I got to go through and color code everything by going white with purple stripe, green with red, white with purple dashes, red, brown. I have to go through all that now. All the switches will get left together, but I have to go through and desolder everything from the playfield, and that way I can get the harness out, and I'm gonna try to wash it. So, but yeah, everything is like disconnected. So yeah, I just gotta, now I gotta go desolder. I have to just mark wherever I got solder. These right here, I already have on a video where they're marked. What I have to do is all the lights. Because like this line right here goes to this line, which goes here, and goes here, and then comes off there, and then goes there, and that's where that gets powered from. So this whole line actually zigs, and that's where it gets its power from. So I have to, I got that, like I said, I got that marked. As you can see right there. Now I'm just doing all the ends wire marks. I will be doing all those because a lot of the stuff is just looped off each other. But that's where I am right now with Bally, MataHari. I should have this totally emptied by the end of the day. It's going to take me, I don't know, maybe an hour or so to map every single socket. But that's where I'm at right now. Oh, and it's Tuesday the 16th of April, I think. 16th or 17th of April. Something like that, 2024.